Welcome to the What's Happening in the Kansas City Real Estate Market with Brad Korn, the Korn team. Been selling real estate in the greater Kansas City area for 30 years, over 2,500 sales. So we're going to go over some of the current market statistics for Kansas City real estate so you can see how that might relate to you in the real estate market.
U.S. sales of existing homes rebounded in the fourth quarter, notching monthly and year-over-year gains in October and November despite higher borrowing costs and elevated sales prices. After hitting a two-year low of 6.08% in late September, the average rate on a 30-year mortgage climbed for most of the quarter before settling in the mid to high 6% range, according to Freddie Mac. Economists believe rates will remain above 6% in the months ahead, so buyers should be prepared to act if rates temporarily decline. Pending sales increased 8.1% from the fourth quarter of 2023 to 7,589 for the quarter. Closed sales increased 11% from this time last year to 8,879. The number of homes for sale was up compared to this time last year. Inventory levels market-wide increased 5.8% to 6,306 units. Prices were up compared to last year at this time. The average sales price increased 5.3% to $361,073. Percent of original list price received at sale was down slightly to 96.6%, which is good news for buyers who are looking for a break among rising home prices. Month supply of inventory was up 5% to 2.1 months. Inventory has continued to increase across the country, with housing supply up by double digits year over year. Realtor.com reports the number of homes actively for sale reached the highest level since 2019 in November, with the typical home spending 62 days on the market, 11 more days than the same time last year. However, the additional supply hasn't done much to bring down home prices, which have continued to rise nationwide. Still, buyers shopping for a home in the new year will find they have more time and a greater assortment of homes to choose from. That's the Heartland Quarterly Market Report for this quarter. Check back next quarter for the latest.
Here's the real deal. For prices to really drop in Kansas City and for the market to come way below, the amount of homes available would have to exceed the number of buyers on the market. That means like 1,000 homes would have to come on the market for sale at once to get ahead of the buyer demand for more houses in the market. So we're not going to see that happen in a while. We're going to see that as people overprice their property and they have to adjust back to the normal price, which is still the best value they've gotten on their property in Kansas City market in the last 30 years that I've been selling, that until that happens, that will help inventory start to build up because people are coming on the market overpriced and then they have to adjust. Well, the people that come on the market priced right or underpriced to create that bidding war will actually steal those buyers away from the people that are overpriced. So it's more important than ever to price your property as close to where you think it will sell, and still maybe just trying to get a little bit more out of the market based on location, condition, and price, and get that buyer out of this market now. If you are buying a home and you're buying it in a neighborhood where there's still appreciation happening, you're going to get another year, 2 years, 3 years, who knows how much more appreciation before a market would get crazy overpriced again, stay that way for a long period of time, and then have to crash. So if you are making a move and you need to move from where you currently are, this may be one of the best times to buy or sell in the market. And that is how you break down all those statistics.